Okay, here. Hello everyone, this is Rick, and this is another great demonstration of Instantbond and the magic and the power of Instantbond. Come over here. Quick and easy, we have a power bar. Need to install it on the wall. Here's what you do. First of all, you take the activator and spray liberally where it's going to go in that area. That flash dries, and now the adhesive on this side. Just a quick spaghetti bead here. Come on. Okay, it's a bit much. Okay, there you go. 1, 2, 3, and now that area is totally covered with the accelerator, so this should be nice and easy. Get it nice and straight right there, and I put a bit much on there. All you need is a spaghetti bead. So hold it for about 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and you can feel the grip. There's no way this is coming off, my friends. Okay, no way. You have to cut that off with a knife. The magic of Instantbond. The job is done, and there's nothing better. Until next time, this is Rick.